Gold recorded its biggest weekly gain for 6 weeks on Friday, with the PM London gold fix coming in at $1,618.25, up 2.7% from last Friday. Silver followed gold higher throughout the week, fixing at $27.73 on Friday for a 2.4% weekly gain. Gold started its climb on Wednesday, following a Wall Street Journal report suggesting Federal Reserve policymakers are moving closer to taking fresh action on the economy. Gold jumped again on Thursday, along with stock markets and the euro, after European Central Bank Chief Mario Draghi said the ECB will do whatever it takes to save the euro. Draghi's comments were widely interpreted as a sign that the ECB could start buying government bonds again on the open market, as it did with Italy and Spain last year. It remains to be seen how much substance there is behind Draghi's words, but we can be sure that the more action the ECB takes, the less the Germans will like it. It has certainly been a stressful week for Europe. Spanish 10-year bond yields hit a new Euro-era high of 7.75% after news that 2 Spanish regions plan to ask Madrid for a bailout. More regions are likely to come forward and ask for help from an already heavily indebted national government. Ratings agency Moody's, meanwhile, issued a negative outlook warning for 3 AAA-rated Eurozone sovereigns, including Germany. Outside the Eurozone, Britain's preliminary GDP figures showed a 3rd consecutive quarter of negative growth, piling further pressure on the coalition government and its austerity policy. As for the US, hopes for more Fed quantitative easing in the near future took a slight dent on Friday when preliminary 2nd quarter GDP figures were slightly better than expected, although they did show slower economic growth. Next week sees the latest US non-farm payrolls data, which as ever will be closely watched by the markets. We will also get monthly manufacturing data from the world's major economies, as well as the latest Federal Reserve interest rate decision. To keep up with the latest in gold and silver, visit goldnews.bullionvault.com.